So the iPhone 16s are around the corner, and this time we will get a new surprise. Last year we had the action button on the iPhone 15 Pro, but now another physical button will probably be presented by Apple this year. So when I talk with people in my community about where they use their iPhone mostly for, the common answers are for calling, for messaging, for its GPS, and obviously one of the most important ones, for its camera. And of course Apple knows this. So what we also know is that the iPhone camera is one of Apple's pinnacles with regards of the iPhone. That's why this new button has probably everything to do with videography and photography. So not a surprise that Apple has made this radical decision to create a new physical camera upgrade. And this button will probably be called the capture button. The capture button will reportedly come to all the iPhone 16s. That means the iPhone 16, the iPhone 16 Plus, the iPhone 16 Pro, and obviously the iPhone 16 Pro Max. So in detail, what will this capture button do? Probably the capture button will be located on the right side of the iPhone, which makes sense because often we take our videos and photos like this. This capture button will have a mechanical design that physically presses in and out, and the surface of the capture button will be touch sensitive. So we'll be able to swipe the surface of the capture button to zoom in and out. And users will be able to bring images into focus by lightly pressing the capture button and activate the shutter button by pressing more firmly on the capture button. So the question is, will it also has other use cases? That we don't know yet. Personally, I wasn't sold on the idea to have a dedicated capture button when it was first rumored for the iPhone 16. However, the rumors around the swipe gestures make it sound infinitely more useful. So I think it's going to add some massive possibilities to the iPhone. So yeah, for the photographers among us, this could be a very welcoming feature. So what are your thoughts about this new capture button coming to the iPhone 16 models? Is this something that would interest you in buying the new iPhone 16 when it comes out? So let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Peace.